Welcome. Today, we learn a beautiful mental math trick. Let's calculate 96 multiplied by 97. First, find the base. Since numbers are close to 100, base is 100. Calculate the difference from the base. 96 is 4 less than 100, so we write minus 0, 4. 97 is 3 less than 100. We write minus 0, 3. Now, cross-subtract to get the first part of the answer. 96 minus 3 equals 93. Notice, 97 minus 4 is also 93. It works both ways. Finally, multiply the differences for the second part. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 equals 12. Combine them together. The result is 9,312. Simple, elegant, and fast. That is the base method. Thanks for watching. By Logic Fuel.